Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best spot to farm ivory and large bones in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the south of the Crimson Desert region on the left side of the circular river near the camps where you fight the legendary mount. Feel free to pause the video to match my location to your map. Once you're here, you'll see a herd of elephants by the river. All you need to do is farm these elephants and gather them afterwards. These animals will reward you with a bunch of ivories and large bones. To make your farming much better, equip a Blessing of Nature Abyss gear to gather additional items while farming. This has been the best spot that I've found in my playthrough so far for gathering these materials. Ivories and large bones are important crafting materials, so it's essential to farm them to refine your gears even further. And that is the best spot to farm ivory and large bones in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.